Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Cooking My Way. And today we'll be cooking some shredded beef burritos. And for our ingredients, we're gonna need our beef, mayonnaise, a can of beans, 2 avocados, 8 chiles, 4 tomatoes, salt, 2 bay leaves, 2 garlics, and our tortillas, flour tortillas. Okay, we have added the water to our pot, and now we're gonna add some salt and put it to cook on high heat. Okay, once our meat is completely cooked, we're gonna go ahead and get it out and strain it with the strainer. Okay, we have this ready. We set that aside, and we're gonna put our 4 tomatoes and the same juice we have from our shredded beef, 4 tomatoes, and our 6 chilies. You know, if you don't like your sauce so spicy, you could add less of. I suggest like around 2 or 3 will be good. So on high for approximately 10 minutes. Make sure it's all shredded into little strips of chicken. Sorry, little strips of meat. You see, our meat is completely shredded. Now we're gonna go ahead and fry it for a couple of minutes. We add a little bit of oil. I guess I added a little bit too much. Sorry about that. Now we're gonna add our meat into our pan, and we're gonna let it like toast a little bit. Once our chili and tomatoes completely cooked, we're gonna go ahead and blend this. As you can see, we added some of our juice and a little bit of chicken seasoning. And we're gonna add our we already added our 2 onions. Sorry, our 2 garlics. Now we're gonna blend this. As you can see, our meat is already like toasted. That's what we wanted. Now we're gonna add our sauce. Gonna mix it. And try it. Missing a little bit more flavor. We add it. And let this boil. We forgot to add our bay leaves. Now we're gonna add them. 1 and 2. Let it boil now.